Okay, once again, YouTube, Cooper's Automotive, AC problem on a 2000 Toyota 4Runner SR5. And not cold, obviously, and it's Florida, it's December, doesn't matter. We have air-conditioned season year-round. So I filled it with dye on Saturday. This is Monday. And I'm gonna dig into it. Pungent smell inside. You get used to smells, taste of stuff. But leak detector goes off on the drain tube, so we have an evaporator leaking. We'll do an evap, and we'll do an AC dryer on the vehicle, and commits to get started here. Okay, first things off, we'll talk about special tool. One of the clips on the high side line going to the evaporator has a special release tool, and that is this OTC 6073. And it looks like that. It sticks down in a tube. So we're going to go after the outside stuff quickly. I've already evacuated all the Freon out of it, and then we'll go after the inside to take it apart. So here we go, moving around. All right, we got to get this line off, and there's that special clip right there. I've released it already, but you can see there's two little holes in it. And you put that tool in there like that, releases the clip and peels off around it. Just like that, right there. AC lines, I'm using a 24 on this side. A lot of times I just use adjustable wrenches on AC. And again, I loosened them just to speed things along. Take that off. Next, we'll twist this line just a little bit back and forth. Had a little bit of Freon in there, even though I recovered it. Sometimes it does that. Clip this out of the line and ease this out just like that. We'll get new O-rings here and new O-rings there. That's that part. I'm gonna go after the dryer, which is up underneath this grill. And it sits right there. Light on that. Got two 10 millimeters up top, and you got a 10 millimeter clamp down on the other side. So I'm going to attack the two on the top with this little Bosch tool. That. You can remove the grill on these to make this a little easier. Pull that one up. I'll pull the other one. And you should be able to wiggle it up and get it out of there. If not now, when you release the bottom clamp that's on that, I'm going to reach down from underneath and probably come up and take that out. And that's a 10 also. Right on this side right here. Everything on my magnetic tray, and let's get that thing disconnected. Okay, so that's your dryer. We'll toss that to the side. We're gonna go inside the car now and do the rest. Let's see if I can get the camera adjusted for this, because we're gonna have to pull this glove box out, a few things. You're probably gonna see a lot of my big fat head. Let's do it like that. I do it like that. Okay, here we are. First thing I want to do is get this glove box out of the way. So we got Phillips screws right here and right here that removes the glove box. Leaving everything in the glove box so that you don't have to worry about the customer saying, "What are you doing in my glove box?" But they understand that most of the time. All right, take your glove box out. Set it on your seat. 2 Phillips screws. All right, there we are. We got to remove this bracket right here. That's a 10mm. And I just brought my 1/4 inch in here again. I'm just setting my screws and bolts down on my floor mat. There's 3 of those. All right, remove the bracket. Keep it directional. Lay it on there. You're gonna start unplugging some electrical here. Blow resistor module, things like that. There. Most likely this is gonna come out too. Pull it straight back and kind of bend that plastic around and get that out of there, that whole piece right there. Now we're after this casing right here. There's going to be 10mm on the bottom, going to be a couple of 10s here, 10 on the side right there. Usually there's one up top right here. There is. We'll take that one out too. I might remove that cover just so you can see the other one. Let's see if I can do that easily enough without having to. Yeah, 10 and a 10. Yeah, it's December, I think today's the 16th. It's probably about 70 degrees out here. We're in pretty good shape. Temperature-wise, it's beautiful. That's why you moved to Florida, everybody from up north. Oh, one more right there, I didn't see. Probably do 2 parts on this one, because I'm going to stop and eat lunch after I get it apart. We got some electrical stuff up there. And normally I don't take this out. I'm just doing this for visual. And just because it's being a pain, I'm not going to go that far, but there is a 10 right up here that you do have to take out. That does give you a little bit more room. Has like a big washer on it. It's a corkscrew looking little screw there. Okay. Now we got one of those in the bottom. I know I say okay a lot. probably grunt a lot too. It's all right. There's a tin right down here in the bottom. Right there. And it's that same washer type as that other one. So this casing, getting close to moving, but there's one more over there. I'm gonna need an extension to get down in there. Right in there. It fell down, it's sitting right here. So we'll take that out. Anyway, not too worried about that. There we go. Now, let's see if we're any closer to movement. Casing. There we go. Wires coming across here. Let's unclip these things. There we go. I have to work on that one a little bit. Hang on. I'm going to designate my wife as a camera girl here pretty soon. Just pull that up and it'll pop back down in there. The clip is fine. I'm going to unplug this anyway because this is the evap temperature sensor going down inside. Now let's see how we're doing. Make sure I don't have any other bolts in the bottom. There's one more right there that I missed. I'm going to get you a picture of that and I'm going to take it out. Right there in the bottom. I know everybody loves the noise. Here we are. And we'll just keep wiggling this out, watching that plug there. And this whole casing should come straight to us. We'll get out of here. Let me check outside. Make sure that stuff's coming out good. I'll be right back. There's a couple of rubber grommets that go around the lines out there to keep moisture and things out. If you take those off, it makes it a little bit easier to get out of there. Most of the time. It's for Ford? Yeah. Should be in the snap-on counselor too. Alright, something's hanging us up, I think, a little bit on the outside still. I believe that should do it. Alright, so you're moving the housing right here. And I'm going to move us out to the bench. Okay, I'm back. Coming out to the bench, I'm going to get back into the tripod. We're going to take this housing apart. My bench is a table, anyway. Let me get my tripod and get hooked back up. And a lot of times I don't edit things because it's a lot of work.